Cut cut cut. The image shouldn't be in black and white. It should be regularly. Alrighty, take two. Cut 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 cut. The bees, the beehive, and the honey are not supposed to be blue. They are supposed to be yellow. Okay, take three. Cut 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 cut. Daisy, what are you doing here instead of Dot?
I'm just Dot's replacement cause Dot went scuba diving with Waffle Marriott.
It's fine. Anyways, take four. Stop the video, hold it, cut. The audio is from the South Park song Kyle's Mom is a bitch. The audio is supposed to be normal, not the one from South Park. And also, I hate South Park.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
Uh-oh, Dot, you're stuck. Let me pull you out for the final take. And if it gets messed up, game over. Well done, Dot. You did it.